The path that an impulse takes in reflex action is called reflex arc. The main coordinating center of the body is the brain. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. The part which receives the information from all parts of the body and integrates is the central nervous system. The communication between central nervous system and other parts of body is facilitated by peripheral nervous system. Cranial nerves arise from brain. Spinal nerves arise from spinal cord. The thinking part of the brain is forebrain. Many of involuntary actions are controlled by midbrain and hindbrain. Blood pressure, salivation, and vomiting are controlled by medulla in hindbrain. Maintaining posture and balance of body are is function of cerebellum. Spinal cord is protected by vertebral column. The plants use electric chemical means to convey information from cell to cell. The plant cell change shape by changing the amount of water in them. The upward and downward growth of shoots and roots in response to the pull of earth or gravity is called geotropism. Growth of pollen tubes towards ovule is an example of chemotropism. The plant hormone produced when growing plant detects light is auxin. The plant hormone produced which helps in growth of stem is gibberellins. The plant hormone which helps in cell division is cytokinins. The plant hormone which inhibits growth is abscisic acid. The plant growth hormone which is responsible for wilting of leaves is abscisic acid. The specific tissues on which hormone acts are called target organs. Thyroxine is produced by thyroid gland. Deficiency of iodine in diet causes goiter. Iodine is necessary for synthesis of hormone thyroxine, the animal hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism in body is thyroxine. Deficiency of iodine in diet leads to goiter. One of simple symptoms in goiter is swollen neck. Growth hormone is one of the hormones secreted by pituitary gland. The hormone that regulates growth and development of body is growth hormone. Deficiency of growth hormone in childhood leads to dwarfism. The period during which there are changes in boys and girls is called puberty. Puberty occurs in age of 10 to 12 years. Changes associated with puberty are because of secretion of testosterone in males and estrogen in females. The hormone insulin is produced in pancreas. The hormone that helps in regulating blood sugar level is insulin. The timing and amount of hormone released are regulated by feedback mechanisms. Let's now study MCQ, multiple choice questions. Which of the following is plant hormone? Insulin, thyroxine, estrogen, cytokinin. Cytokinin is the correct answer. The gap between two neurons is called synapse. The brain is responsible for thinking, balancing the body, regulating the heartbeat, all of above. The brain is responsible for all the functions. Which of the following is correct about receptors? Gustatory receptors detect smell while olfactory receptors detect smell. Remember, receptors. Photoreceptors are eyes. Auditory receptors are ears. Gustatory receptors are tongue. Olfactory receptors are nose. Thigmoreceptors are skin. This is an important question as it has come in exam. Electrical impulse travels in a neuron from option C, dendrite, cell body, axon, axonal end. This is also an important question. In the synapse, chemical signal is transmitted from D, axonal end of one neuron to dendrite end of another neuron. Seventh one, in a neuron, conversion of electrical signal to chemical signal occurs at axonal end. Which is the correct sequence of components of reflex arc? Receptors, sensory neuron, spinal cord, motor neuron, muscle. Option D is the correct answer. Dear students, 6th, 7th and 8th, all the three are very important. Which of the statements are true? Sudden action in response to something is called reflex action, since the path through which signals are transmitted from a receptors to muscle or a gland is called reflex arc. Which of the following statements are true about brain? Center of hearing, smell, memory, sight are located in forebrain. Involuntary actions like salivation, vomiting, blood pressure are controlled by medulla in hindbrain. Posture and balance of body is controlled by cerebellum. Spinal cord originates from medulla. 11th one is also very important as it has come in exams. The movement of shoot towards light is phototropism. The main function of abscisic acid is to inhibit growth. It also helps in wilting of leaves. Which of the following is not associated with growth of plant? Abscisic acid is not associated with growth of plant as it helps in inhibiting growth and wilting of leaves. Iodine is necessary for synthesis of thyroxine hormone. Choose the incorrect statement. About insulin, it regulates growth and development of body. Insulin does not regulate growth and development of body. Select mismatched pair. Adrenaline, pituitary gland. Shape of guard cells changes due to change in amount of water. The growth of tendril in pea plants is due to rapid cell divisions in tendrinal cells and that are away from the support. Growth of pollen tube towards ovule is due to chemotropism. The movement of sunflower in accordance with path of sun is due to phototropism. The substance that triggers the fall of mature leaves and fruits from plants is due to abscisic acid. Which of the following statements about transmission of nerve impulse is incorrect? At dendrite end of electrical impulses bring about release of some chemicals which generate an electrical impulse at axonal end of another neuron. Involuntary actions in the body are controlled by medulla in hindbrain. Which of the following is not an involuntary action? Chewing is not an involuntary action. When a person is suffering from severe cold, he or she cannot differentiate the smell of perfume from that of an agarbatti. Which is the correct direction of flow of electrical impulses? Option C is the correct answer. Which statement is not true about thyroxine? Iron is essential for synthesis of thyroxine. This is not true. Dwarfism regulates due to less secretion of growth hormone. Growth hormone is also known as pituitary hormone. Dramatic changes of body features associated with puberty are mainly because of secretion of testosterone from testes and estrogen from ovary. A doctor advised a person to take an injection of insulin because his sugar level in blood was high. This MCQ is also very important. The hormone which increases fertility in males is called testosterone. Which of the following is endocrine glands is unpaired? Pituitary. Junction between two neurons is called synapse. In humans, life processes are controlled by nervous system and endocrine system.